back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. Guys, I am so excited to be back on the channel and of course have my husband here with me again. You guys, are you excited? It's a good day. It is a good day, okay? Marykay just launched a brand new product for men, okay? If you're not new, or rather I should say if you're new to Marykay has MK Men line that caters to men, so it's not only lipsticks and blushes and things like that. We have products for men also, so get excited. All right, so they just came out with a brand new product. It's called the MK Men Beard Oil, and you're gonna get to see a close-up shot of that. Of course, it's an awesome oil, you guys. I love it. Like, it's definitely what I want my man smelling like. So of course I got my hubby here to come on camera with me and give you guys a first impression. He hasn't tried it.
I don't even know what it smells like.
Right.
I don't even. And I remember I was asking you. I say, listen, I want beard oil. Do you have beard oil? I've been asking for this.
Yes, he has, and I have
for 7 years. I've been asking for a Marykay beard oil.
I had to give him the MK Naturally oil. Okay?
Right.
We have a naturally line that has an oil, so I said, okay, here, have that. Try it. It's great for hair. Great for skin. So that's what he's been using. So finally they came out with the beard oil, and I'm so excited. So here you go, babe. That's for you.
All right.
We want to hear what you think about it. And
how much do I owe you for this?
Nothing.
Just
your love.
All right. Let's open.
So yeah, he's gonna try it. He's gonna open it for us. Try it, smell it, put it on, and let us know what he thinks about it. So if you guys, get your hubbies or brothers or dads, get them to watch this video so they can see, a man's reaction to this brand new product. It is a special edition, so unfortunately it's not a regular line yet, but this is the time to snag it and stock up. Ladies, stock up for your special guy so that he can have some to use. Okay.
Well, it's kind of like this effervescent, like it's kind of, also too, putting this on your beard. I've always been kind of the kind of person I like some of like this musky kind of pine, like I just came out of the woods, like cutting trees or wrestling bears or something.
Yeah, my husband's a Vermonter, so that's where all that came from. Yeah.
So, and this does have that kind of that pine, kind of that.
It's got peppermint.
That's what it is. Yes.
Peppermint and clary sage.
Clary sage.
That's
probably, yeah.
So yes, peppermint and clary sage. That's what it's got in there as far as the scent. So yeah, but you like it?
Yeah. No, this is good.
Okay. So this is great, you guys. It helps to condition the beards. Helps to give it shine, and it also benefits the skin underneath the beards, underneath this that chin right there. So it's great to nourish and moisturize not just the beards but also the skin underneath. So get excited. I think it's gonna be a game changer for a lot of men out there. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I like it. Nice and soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. It's really nice. I can even.
Yeah. See.
So that's nice. Like I like that peppermint. So it's actually very It actually.
You know what? I just noticed.
Nice and soothing for me.
I just noticed that from the last video I was on here, last year?
2 years ago.
I've got more gray hairs.
Yes, we all have. Yeah, the pandemic would do that to you. Yes.
No, 3 kids will do that to you.
Yes, well, that too. That too. Yes, we have a third child in case you're new to my channel. Actually,
yeah, no. So click on the link above where she'll have a link to her pregnancy video. Wait, no, over here, right?
I think over here.
Over here. So click on this one. Click on it right here. Now you have to add that in.
Yes, I will add that. Yeah, there's a video where I reveal the bump, so you can go check it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we have a little one now, so we got 3, and he's actually 8 months old now.
Right.
So that's exciting. So yeah, so it's a busy house. Which is why I've not been like pumping out stuff for you guys. But don't worry, more stuff's coming.
And so yeah, even at an 8-month-old boy can probably get his hands on some MK beard oil. Right?
I don't think so.
No.
No, we will not be doing that. So give us an update. It's been I gifted him the MK Men set.
Right.
In 2019.
Yes.
All right. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put the link. It's gonna pop up right here. Go check it out, you
Yeah,
guys.
right here.
Yes, somewhere right there.
Hang on, let me go down. Right here.
Go check it out. Okay. So he, again, gave us a first impression look at the MK Men.
I've been using
skincare
it.
line, and give us an update.
I've been using it every day to the point where I said, "Hey, babe, I ran out of the eye cream, the face cream, or the face wash."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's been using it. I told you you're gonna be hooked. Remember that first? I said you're gonna be hooked.
Yeah, I know. Now you said I'm waiting for my new order of my face wash to come in.
Yes, we're waiting. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. So.
All right. Yeah.
So, what do you think? Do you recommend this oil to the guys? What are your thoughts? What is your first impression?
I would say anybody who has a beard, short or long, should try this beard oil. It smells because that's the thing. You're putting it right under your nose, so you might as well get something that smells nice.
Smells good.
And this is good. I like it. Yeah. No. So we're gonna add this to my list of things that I want from Mary Kay.
Right.
So.
Well, you got that already, so.
Okay. All right. Good. Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. Early Father's Day present.
That's right. That's your early Father's Day present. Yeah. So, ladies, Father's Day is around the corner, and even if it's not Father's Day, just gift the guy you love. It could be your son, your dad, a brother, an uncle. Men love to be cared for too. So, yes, and MK Men is doing just that. All right, so that is it, you guys. Wanted to jump on here and shoot this quick first impression. Thank you to my hubby for always, supporting your girl and coming on the channel, to.
I can smell it. I smell it on my mustache.
Yes, it smells. Yes, you see, when you kind of lean on your man like this, that's a good scent you want to get, right? Not something musty or, that smells really nice.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. I like that a lot. It smells really nice. So yeah, we'll see if it'll help your grays too.
There's more of those coming soon, I bet.
So anyway, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think about this video. Share this video with your significant other or anyone who will benefit from it. Who's got a beard? Okay. Yeah. So remember, self-care is very important. Even men, can do self-care, need self-care. So take care of yourself, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.